a road trip to the studio. Today we get the telecom technician in one more time, hopefully to fix the internet connectivity, because the last technician that visited us didn't find the right internet cable, so hopefully we're gonna be successful today. So traffic this morning is a little heavier. I'll need to get used to this. Welcome back to the studio. So obviously internet didn't fix itself. Hopefully this is gonna get resolved today. This is my workspace for today. So I'm waiting for the signal now to come green. Hopefully this time it's gonna work. And it seems that it's green. It's permanently green. So let's test it out. Let's see how fast it is. So it claims that it has 111 megabits down and 40 megabits up. So let's do a real speed test. Woohoo! Okay, looks good. What about the upload? Awesome. This looks great. I love it. So apparently finally we got internet in the studio, so now it's time to connect all the devices that we want to connect here. Our servers and camera and all the stuff, streaming PC. Everything can move in now and we can get started. So I'm really super excited that this worked out today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Tomorrow I'm gonna release my firmware factory update video. There's great new stuff coming with the firmware factory V2, if you want to call it like that. So stay tuned for that video and I hope to see you soon back on the channel for another video. Bye!